Hey, traders from around the world. This is Jeremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. And guess where I'm broadcasting from? Live from New York City. I'm excited about being in New York. I'm actually right now in Manhattan. I am about 77 yards from Central Park. So beautiful view, beautiful area of town, beautiful friends, beautiful traders. Tomorrow or Wednesday, haven't totally decided yet. One of those 2 days in the afternoon sometime. I'll be going downtown and check out Wall Street, obviously, New York Stock Exchange, all that kind of good stuff. Seeing what's out there and just kind of perusing around. So today's market update won't be that long because there's not that much to talk about. Today's range is a little bit low, and there's a lot of people talking about the exact same thing. So I will say oftentimes when that happens with the market usually does the exact opposite of what everyone wants it to do. So this morning we gapped down just a little bit, and we're forming pretty much a perfect flag pattern. Flag pattern, well, you can draw a flag, you could draw a pennant, you can even draw a stair-step pattern. You can draw whatever you want. But I am absolutely think that this is a great area for it to roll over. Will it? Probably not. I'm going to put about a 70% chance that we actually go higher, believe it or not. Now, how high could we go? We could trade up to here and then roll over. So I think if the market does roll over, it might happen where everyone doesn't really expect it to do that. So we're really going to see. But it's a perfect pennant. So I will say if we do begin to roll over, if we get a black candle, if we make a lower low and a lower high, that'll be the time where I'll be considering getting in bearish. As of right now, just kind of waiting on pretty much everything. So that's the Qs. Here's the SPY. SPY, same exact thing, right? It's right at the 10 EMA. So if we got a candle like that tomorrow, a little bit of a bearish candle, I look for a close below that wick. We got a little bit of a support at about 195.28. So we still form that pennant pattern. If we need a good gap, we need a good open, we need a good close, something to the extent of that, being a little bit more bearish than bullish. I was looking to be kind of bearish on the SPY today, but we did not open below Friday's low. So Friday's low was let me bring this down. Friday's low was 197.92. We opened at 198.11. So barely a difference, I know, but people weren't crazily trapped. They weren't shocked. They weren't really scared. So really SPY right now just kind of hanging out. Here's the DIA, same thing, and here's the IWM. Now the IWM has already broken the 10 EMA on the daily chart, and it's moving a little bit higher, so that'll be interesting to see how that plays out. Here's Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Also one of the few stocks out there that did make a higher high already, so it's kind of breaching this resistance. And if it breaches that resistance, I am keeping a very close eye on Apple as a bearish trade, and actually semi-anticipating for it to trade a little bit higher, back up to this 118, 119 level, and I'm looking to short it at that resistance. And again, just kind of more or less hope for a little bit of a rollover. A sneaky suspicion right now is brewing in the back of my mind that really could, what happened on Monday last week, really could have been like a bearish flash crash, and we actually move a little bit higher. How high can we move? I really don't know, but I just don't know if this is the end, if you want to call it that, of the market. I really don't think this is the case. There's a sneaky suspicion in the back of my mind that we could start making some higher highs. So if you do find any stocks out there that are at a really good, strong, solid support that we bounced off of before, kind of like Etsy, ticker symbol ETSY. You can see on Etsy, got triggered in at 14.33, and right now it's just kind of hanging out at that price. We have bounced down here before, right? Once, twice, 3 times a lady. So it could happen again. You're welcome to keep your eye on Etsy, see how it bounces and see what it does. Shake Shack today down just a little bit. There's actually a Shake Shack not far from me. Never been to one yet, so I might end up going to that at some point. We'll have to see. But this moment, you got a little bit of a pattern like this. Again, if it rolled over to here, $40 potentially is a good buying opportunity. We can keep an eye on it and see what's going on and see what happens. But honestly, folks, I don't really have any amazing trade setups. The only trade that we are in is Alibaba. And lost an R on this one today. So I'm actually done with day trading for today. Got all of my risk tied up and it's done. Lost 3 R's. I'm done for the day. Waiting for the next few days to see what it plays out. But here's our evening star reversal. Our trigger was a move below Friday's low. Stop is above here. So that trade is in. That's in our worksheet right here. If you follow our worksheet, I sent that out in an email on Friday. There it is, Alibaba right there. So we're triggered in as of 69.26. So we'll see how much lower it can go. hopefully it'll go down to 58 if you're in that bearish trade. That could be a really, really good payout. So hopefully it'll win. We'll see. We'll continue to keep an eye on it. But ladies and gentlemen, thanks so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Wednesday will be the next update, and that again will be live from New York City. I'm excited, ladies and gentlemen. Hope to see some of you guys in the afternoon swing trading class from 5 to 6 Eastern Standard Time, which will be Merchant Monday. See you there. And if you're not there, how's the saying go? Be there or be rectangular. I'll see you guys later.